Hello students, in this video we are going to solve the Maharashtra Board question bank. So we are going to solve the section D. Question number 1, section D, identify the incorrect factor. So the first question here is type of age sex pyramid. So we all know that there are only three types of pyramid, that is constructive, expansive and stationary. So the incorrect factor in this question is nothing else than transition. So transition is the answer. Next question is settlement type. So basically the settlements are like village, suburb, city, fringe settlement. Okay. So out of this, the incorrect factor is fringe settlement. So village is also one type of settlement, suburb is also one type of settlement, lekin fringe settlement does not exist. Next question, agriculture type. So we have intensive agriculture, plantation agriculture, market gardening is also a type of agriculture. Barren is not a type of agriculture. Barren is what? When you keep the land vacant, you don't cultivate anything. So that is called as barren. So it is not a type of agriculture. So incorrect factor is barren. Next, sub branch of human geography. So you have options like biogeography, then settlement geography, population geography, and economic geography. So the right answer here is biogeography. Next question, the settlement having major functions in tourism. So the options are Matheran, Manmad, Manali and Mumbai. So the answer is Manmad, which is having large functions of tourism. You can see different types of tourisms in this place. Okay. So this is the incorrect factor. Matheran, Manali, Mumbai, all these places are the tourist place where the people go and they try to visit these places. And Manmad is the place where you cannot find the tourism. So because of that, it is considered as the incorrect factor. So try to understand the question and solve the answers accordingly. Now question number 6, stages of population transition theory. So high stationary, declining, late expansive, late expanding and expansive, these are the options. Now high stationary, declining and late expanding, these are all the stages of transition theory, and expansive is not a stage, it is a type of population pyramid. So this is the incorrect factor. Next question, regions have dense settlement due to the availability of minerals. So you have four options here. So the right answer is fertile basin of river Ganga. So basically all these regions like Katanga in Zambia, West Europe, Manchuria, these are all the places where the availability of minerals is very high. But in the case of river Ganga, it is not like that. So it is an incorrect factor. Next question, physical factors effects on population. So you have options like climate, relief, agriculture and soil. Now here climate, relief and soil, these are all the natural factors, also called as physical factors. So agriculture is the odd man out, it is an incorrect factor. So it's your answer. Next question, favorable factors for population. So you have fertile soil, temperate climate, availability of water and hot climate. Abhi, if soil is fertile, it is really favorable for population. ज़्यादा population वहीं पे होती है. अगर climate अगर temperate है, ज़्यादा cold नहीं, ज़्यादा hot नहीं, medium climate, then it is favorable again for the population. Next, availability अगर पानी की है, definitely the population will be attracted. So what is the odd man out? Hot climate. तो जहाँ पे बहुत hot climate है वहाँ पे population favorable नहीं होगा. So because of that, hot climate is the answer. It is the incorrect factor. Next question, unfavorable factor for population. Now you have options like steep slopes, desert soil, regular soil, hot climate. Okay, so it is the regular fertile soil which is unfavorable factor of for population. Okay, so if you consider in the case of population, steep slope is favorable, desert soil, steep slope is not favorable, desert soil is again not favorable, hot climate is not favorable. So Regular soil is only one of the incorrect factor, which is not matching to all of them. Next question. The countries in the second stage of population transition. So you have options like India, Congo, Bangladesh and Niger. So the right answer is India, which lies in the second stage of population explosion transition in the demographic theory. Next question. Characteristic of first stage of population transition theory. So characteristic first stage की क्या है? There is a very, it is the high birth rate. And so what is the characteristic of it? Basically high birth rate, high death rate. Okay, so these are the characteristics. So what is the incorrect factor which you see in the case of this question? It is low death rate. Okay, so low death nahi ho sakti because it has high birth rate and high death rate. Next is dense population is found in Ganga plains. So you have options like fertile soil, high industrialization, water availability, gentle slope. So basically गंगा प्लेन्स के वहां पे फ्लैट सरफेस होता है, फर्टाइल सॉइल इज ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट. ओके, अवेबिलिटी, प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर यू कैन सी देयर. ठीक है, gentle slope you can find. So high industrialization is an incorrect factor because fertile soil और पानी की वजह से वहां पे agriculture is carried out in large amount. So industrialization ज्यादा नहीं है वहां पे. Next is concentration of population is found in cities. So you have options like good transport, employment opportunities, education, medical facilities, and fertile soil for agriculture. So basically, uh, population gets attracted in the cities. Why? Because cities give good employment, good education, good medical facilities, good transportation. So इसमें से odd man out क्या है? Fertile soil for agriculture, because it is not working in the case of cities, it works in the case of village. Next question. Regions having sex ratio more than 1000. So you have Latvia, UAE, Estonia and Ukraine. The right answer here is Ukraine. Okay, which is an incorrect factor. Next question. Regions having literacy less than 80%. So the right answer here is North America. This is one of the odd man out. Rest all the regions have the literacy rate less than 80%. Next question. Difference in population according to rural urban structure. So you have the options like occupational structure, sex ratio, body height, density of population. So in this case, body height will be the right answer. Next question. Social causes of migration. So basically options are discrimination, marriage, earthquake and lack of medical facilities. Okay. So what are the social causes which is giving you the reason for migration? So marriage is again which makes the migration. Even discrimination also makes the migration. ठीक है. लेकिन earthquake जो है ये social cause नहीं है. Okay, it is just a natural calamity which comes. Okay, it is not considered as one of the social cause of migration. So it's an odd man out. Next question. Characteristic of constructive pyramid. So you have options like high number of youth, apex end is broader, high number of elders, very low birth rate and death rate. So here the odd man out is high number of youth. Okay. Next question. Push factors of migration. So we have the options like drought, water, polluted water, opportunity for education. So what are the push factors which pushes you out? So because of drought, you go out, you go away from it. Because of war, you go away from that place. Because of polluted water, you go away from that place. लेकिन opportunity of education ये क्या है? ये pull factor है जो attract करता है. So this is the odd man out and it is the answer. That is option D. Let us move further. Factors having direct relation with literacy. So you have options like lifestyle of people, deposits of minerals, social status of female and educational facilities. So here the right answer is deposits of mineral which do not relate to the literacy. Okay, literate अगर आप हो तो definitely आपकी lifestyle अच्छी होगी. Literacy depends on the educational facilities. Literacy also depends upon how many females have studied, how many females are taking an education. So ये deposit of mineral ये it doesn't relate at all. Next question is physical causes of migration. So the options are volcanic eruption, storms, search of employment and earthquake. Abhi volcanic eruption, storm or earthquake, these are all the natural calamities. Search of employment is the odd man out. So it is the right answer. Next question is pull factors. Pull factors मतलब क्या? जो attract करता है like magnet. So employee opportunity attracts, educational facility attracts, pleasant climate attracts. Then polluted air, this will not attract anyone. So it is the odd man out and that is the right answer. Next question, skills of geographer. अभी geographers के skills क्या होते हैं? Observation, custom, drawing of map and data organization. Okay. So observation is very much needed in the case of the skill of geographer. Drawing map draw करना भी जरूरी है, वो आना चाहिए. डेटा अगर आपने कलेक्ट किया है तो उसको ऑर्गेनाइज करना भी आपका काम है, ठीक है. सो कस्टम इज नॉट the skill. So because of that it's the odd man out, it's the incorrect factor and so that's the answer. Next question, Hecataeus scholar of geography. So you have Greek scholar, Jasperodius, Roman scholar, first description of the world. So the right answer is Roman scholar. Okay. Next question, branch of human geography. So population geography is based on human, economic geography is again based on human, political का भी जो background है that is also based on human. So soil geography is an incorrect factor, so it's the right answer. Next question, concept connected to biosphere. So basically you have options like carnivorous food chain, troposphere and ecology. So the right answer is troposphere. Why? Because all food chain, ecology, carnivorous, these are all connected to biosphere and troposphere is the odd man out. Next question, comparatively less developed states in India. So कम से कम जो less developed states है वो है हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट. महाराष्ट्र बहुत ज्यादा डेवलप्ड स्टेट है, so because of that it is the odd man out, incorrect factor. Next, effect of forest on the region. Forest product, hydroelectricity project, paper industry, furniture making. So basically furniture या फिर paper हम forest से ही ले सकते हैं. So the right answer is hydroelectricity. ठीक है, hydroelectricity works with the help of water. It does not work with the help of forest. So because of that it's the odd man out. Next, formal region. So you have options like Haveli Taluka, City Cable Service Area, Kolhapur District and Uttar Pradesh. So the right answer here is City Cable Service Area. Next question, favorable factors for settlement. So which is the favorable factor for settlement? Plains, lakes, mountains, plateaus. So basically you'll prefer to stay first on plains, then you'll prefer to stay on plateaus, then near the lake, but no one can prefer to stay on mountains. So this is the odd man out and hence option C, mountains, is the right answer. Next question, attributes of region. So you have options like location, boundary, intellectualness and spatial extents. So the right answer here is intellectualness. Okay, because intellectualness is not the attribute of a region. Next question, mountainous region. So Sahara, Himalaya, Rocky and Andes. So Himalaya, Rocky, Andes ये सारे mountains है. Sahara is a type of desert. So it's the odd man out, it's the incorrect factor and it's our right answer. Option A, Sahara. So this is all about the exercise number 1, incorrect factors. Rest of the answers I'm posting one by one. So please start preparing accordingly. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.